After a car accident, most people instinctively call their own insurance company. But if the accident wasn't your fault, there is another option, one that could save you money and a lot of unnecessary stress. When you go through your own insurer, what you might not know is you're actually claiming against your own policy. That becomes what's called an active claim, and it can stay on your records for months while everything gets sorted. In most cases, you'll also have to pay your excess, which can cost you hundreds of pounds. While the claim is ongoing, your no claims bonus could be affected. And if your renewal comes up at the same time, well, you might even see your premiums increase, all for an accident that wasn't your fault. Then there's the question of your vehicle. Most insurers won't provide you with a like-for-like replacement, so you could end up with something that doesn't even suit your needs, or in some cases, no car at all. And when it comes to repairs, many policies use what's called green parts, which is just really another way of saying second-hand parts. And for something as important as your car, that's not ideal. On top of that, you're often passed from person to person, repeating your situation again and again because no one is truly taking ownership of your claim. That's why, if the accident wasn't your fault, it's worth speaking to us before you decide what to do next. We're an independent accident management company established in 2009, specialising in non-fault accident claims. When you choose us, you won't pay an excess, your no claims bonus won't be affected, you'll get a like-for-like replacement vehicle, and your car will be repaired using new, manufacturer-approved parts backed by a lifetime guarantee. You'll also have a dedicated claims handler. That means you'll have one person who knows your case and supports you throughout the whole process. But most importantly, our service doesn't cost you anything. We'll recover all our costs directly from the at-fault driver's insurer, not your policy. We're here to make sure a non-fault accident doesn't become a stressful experience. It's why we're rated 4.9 stars on Trustpilot. So if you've been in an accident that wasn't your fault, get in touch and let us help you get back on the road.